Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest whole chicken. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Get a big enough bowl and come in with some Maggi chicken seasoning powder. Next, I'll be needing some cloves and some onion seeds. I'll come in with 2 teaspoonfuls of vegetable broth, some masala powder, curry powder, some ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, Ariel soap powder, fennel powder, onion flakes, chili powder, chili flakes, some salt to taste, and I'll squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, dark soy sauce. I'll come in with some virgin olive oil. I'll give it a good mix. And now it's ready to be used. I've got my whole chicken here. It's been washed, it's been cleaned very well. I'll just go ahead and smear the seasoning on the chicken. I'll make sure I lift the skin and put some seasoning under the skin to help it marinate very well. Afterwards, I'll keep this in the fridge overnight. Is the next morning and is ready to enter the oven. I'll just put it in a baking pan. So it's ready to get into the oven, and the oven has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. I'll grill this for about an hour and a half. So it's been after about 40 minutes, and I'll just get it out and flip it over and put it back into the oven. Now put it back for about 40 to 50 minutes. And yes, here we are. This is ready. It is juicy and it tastes delicious. You definitely need to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.